Alright, I want to do a quick video. I recently replaced a Samsung water valve, and this was the original valve that was on the machine. As you can see, it has a leak and we replaced it. So this was the original Samsung part. If you look, we're dealing with these two here and the one on the right. As you can see, it has a restrictor, something that slows the flow of water down. Now, not too concerned about the other ones right there, but if you do order one, it's good practice to literally remove your old one and just compare them just to make sure that they're identical. Now, we're going to take a look at this one. Over here, as you can see, it's missing. There's nothing there. So the flow of water is going to be way stronger. So I'm going to activate this. I'm also going to activate this to see the difference, just so you can get an idea how much stronger the flow, in case you're thinking, well, it's not going to make a big difference. It really will. All right, that's full. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start the stopwatch. Hopefully I can get it. I want you to see the difference between, this is a new valve, and you can see the difference between. So I'm gonna start the stopwatch. I think it was like 20 seconds. And you figure it took me a second to do it, so probably like 21 seconds to fill. And the other one was, I think, like 40 something. All right, thanks for watching.